I'm assuming all the white guys.
There's a car coming.
Okay. Still a dragon. Whew.
Heath and Eli are now pretending to masturbate one another.
Hey, what's going on behind me? Are you going to be diving for the... No, you're just merging into this lane. Like, why? Just merge after the light. Like, that lane ends anyway. I don't get it.
Hired one out of London. But as soon as they got that one loaded up, the East India Company seized it. And the Scots got so pissed off about that that they ended up hanging 3 English sailors that had fuck all to do with any of this.
And if we didn't, yes, absolutely. Because
thank you for your money.
And I mean,
all right, the guy behind me's been tailgating me for the last 10 miles. So, fuck you. You get to be in the video.
It really happened, Jewish people.
Pivoting off that, all those Jewish cows
no stop
pasture that day too.
Yeah. I know how to communicate with us.
Right, you have not thought of that yet.
Just the alien version of Eli getting all stoned with his buddy, trying to figure
That was
out
an exit dive behind me.
He's in philosophy as well as far left ideologies in philosophy when I was getting my degree. So I learned a lot about the entire spectrum of politics and thinking, and I think I chose to be where I am because this is sort of a reality-based approach to the community college. What the shit are we doing? That we recognize, I think, sensible people, and this is not most of us, and that expertise in different parts of the world is going to be urgent in order for us
that was an exit dive.
On a financial as a potential leader of the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, Kennedy's Dayton. I'm very excited to read this book. Oh man, every book I read is about Pablo Escobar. I didn't realize that he was.
Nice cut off.
Absolutely voracious. And we saw that.
And you can help do something about it.
Wait, what?
That's right. If you donate to patreon.com/citation.
Ohio State fans, what are you going to do?
Proceeds.
Ah, nice cut off behind me. Really? Ah, freaking Hurricanes fan. Why are fans of teams that I don't like are cutting me off all of a sudden? It's like they could smell my allegiances or something. I don't know. Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run. You're so bad and you do it so badly. That was... Was he behind the line? I think he was.
Where we're at, Tara? The kids roaming the streets.
Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run. And the Steelers won today, so good job.
Fuck yeah. No, they're going to the world of David the Gnome. That's what they're doing. I mean...
Red light, run again.
And is that irony? And Eurolania is when you're into getting peed on and/or being the peer.
Wait.
What are you doing?
The other, who's fucking dropping a deuce in
what are you doing?
How is it?
Stay in the left turn lane if you're gonna turn left. Why have to drift over here?
Your stream goes in 2 different directions for a second. Is it B? Why did I stop having wet dreams? What happened?
Hey, hello?
Is it C? Did you come? It's C. It's C. Question over.
Are you exit diving?
It's C.
Of course you are.
I already decided. All right. I already decided. Answer C is incorrect. Suggestion box. Ooh. So if you'd like.
No, truck's in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. I think. Maybe. But if we're in Connecticut, you're definitely not allowed to be there. No, you cannot be there. Although it's FedEx and it's the holiday season and and I'm sure they got a lot of packages to deliver, so he's over there trying to take as much less time as possible, save as much time, because, well, truck use middle lane. Okay, he just passed a sign that said he can't be there, so it's for real this time. So don't yell at me in the comments. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Alright, I'll see you next time whenever I upload something. I don't know where I'm going next. Okay, bye!